Welcome to the Basic Woodworking Techniques afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We are here to give you the opportunity of coming up with either a project of your own, or I have some possibilities over here for you if you don't have an idea of what you want. And we will then take some time, discuss what we're trying to do.
Twice a year, Sun City Anthem's Wood Chips Woodworking Club conducts the Basic Woodworking Techniques workshop designed to teach members woodworking skills. Experienced woodworkers wanting to enhance their skills are welcome. The primary role of Basic Woodworking Techniques is to connect club members with the mentor they need to successfully create their project. Members are asked to choose a project they want to make. Depending on the skill needed and the complexity of the project, the instructor will identify and assign a mentor to guide the member through planning and making the chosen project.
Tell me what you want to make.
The mentor works with and teaches the student, but does not build the project. The mentor is available to guide and answer questions.
Remember this that I showed you?
Yes.
I've gotten this far.
That
Cut
is
this out on the scroll saw.
The Basic Woodworking Techniques program is designed to help members of Wood Chips turn their concept into reality.
a great job.
Thank you. I wanted to show you this. Now all together.
Contact you. That's why it's important.
Use the little glue.
Oh, so what you did was you glued it in like that.
That individual
That over here and here.
contact you and set up a time for the two of us so that we
Well done.
Oh, thank
what
you.
it is.
Nicely done.
Shop orientation is the only prerequisite for attending the Basic Woodworking Techniques workshop.